Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and aromatic Kolkata Style Chicken Dum Biryani. This is so different and the taste is so amazing. This is slightly less spicy and this is very much aromatic and that makes it different from other biryanis. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी कोडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first let's prepare the biryani moshla. For that in a kadai heat 2 teaspoons of green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise, 2 inches of cinnamon, 1 mace or javitri, 1/4 of a nutmeg or jaifal, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of white peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds or shajira and roast for 2 to 3 minutes. After it becomes aromatic, take out in a bowl and allow it to cool down and then grind to make fine powder and our biryani moshla is ready. Now in a bowl take 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. To that add 1/4 cup of water and give it a mix. Now strain it through a strainer and use the water only. So this is the specialty of chicken biryani Kolkata style. Now let's marinate the chicken. For that here I have taken 500 grams of chicken with bones. Now whisk and add 1/4 cup of curd, ginger garlic water that we prepared, 2 tablespoons of biryani moshla, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of kevda water, 1 teaspoon of rose water, and this is the special essence that we will use for Kolkata biryani. This is Mughlai Meetha Atar. Mix 1 or 2 drops in water and add it to the chicken. Now marinate for an hour. Here I have taken 3 peeled potatoes. Prick them using a knife or fork. Keep them soaked in water. To that add 2 teaspoons of saffron water, half teaspoon of salt, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix and keep it aside. Now fry 3 thin sliced onions in hot oil. So here we are making the birista or fried onions. Fry till the onions turn golden brown in color. Do not wait till it's dark. Now take them out on a strainer. This makes sure our fried onions are crispy. In the same oil shallow fry 2 boiled eggs. This is completely optional. Fry them till they are golden from all sides and take out. Now shallow fry the potatoes. Fry till they are golden brown from all sides. Take them out and keep aside. Now remove extra oil if you want. And then add 1 teaspoon of ghee and add the marinated chicken. Also add handful of fried onions. Now mix and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. The chicken looks a bit cooked now. Now add the fried potatoes. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of biryani moshla. Now cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes our chicken is almost 95% cooked. That's how we want it. Now turn off the heat. For rice heat 2 liters of water. To that add 3 bay leaves, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 4 to 5 cloves, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes and then remove the whole spices. We just wanted to flavor the water for the rice. Now add 2 cups of washed and soaked rice. I had soaked it for at least an hour. Now cook till rice is 90% cooked. Meanwhile, let's arrange the chicken pieces on the bottom of a vessel. Use a heavy bottom vessel here. Also add the potatoes. Now strain and add the chicken gravy. Add the eggs. Sprinkle some biryani masala on top. Sprinkle some khoya or milk powder. I didn't have khoya, so I used milk powder here. Sprinkle some fried onions. And then rice is well cooked now. Add it on top of the chicken and eggs. Spread it evenly. Now in a bowl, take 3 tablespoons of milk. To that add 2 teaspoons of kesar water, 1 teaspoon of Biryani Moshla, 1 teaspoon of Keoda water, 1 teaspoon of rose water, 2-3 drops of Mughlai attar. Mix everything well. Add this mixture on top of the rice. Also add some fried onions, some kesar water and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Cover with aluminium foil or dough and place the lid on top. Now place it on a hot tawa with a heavy thing on top. Cook on low flame for 20 to 25 minutes. After that, let the steam be inside the vessel for 15 minutes and then remove the top part and the aluminium foil. A perfectly aromatic biryani is ready. This looks so perfect. Gently mix and serve it with raita. This biryani is a little less spicy, but the flavors are so perfect. Like everything goes perfectly well with each other. Also the potato is a big addition that we love. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.